Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
I feel the need for speed.
Oh, this is interesting. What the heck? Is that a glitch, or is it supposed to do that? Never seen it before. Wait. I have seen it before. One time when I accidentally got 2 trucks out of the garage without moving the first one. I wonder how many trucks I can stack inside each other. So here I am at my garage. I'm going to attempt to stack these 5 trucks inside each other.
You've got to ask yourself one question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
Here's the first 2. Looks pretty cool, huh? Maybe I want a truck like that. So now I just go back into my garage.
Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Wait, I can't go back into my garage.
What's the problem?
Why not?
I think you know what the problem is just as well as I do.
Well, apparently, once you have 2 trucks stacked, you can't go back into your garage or change into a different vehicle anywhere on the map. So if you exit to the main menu, then hit continue, then you can go back into your garage.
You talking to me?
So I'm about to stack my 5th truck. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's very nice. I think I want one of those in real life. What is that, like a 36 wheeler or something? Oh, I wonder what it looks like from inside the cab. Absolutely gorgeous view from inside the cab. Let's look from inside some other cabs. Can't change trucks.
This mission is too important for me to allow you to jeopardize it.
You see, something's going to happen. What? What's going to happen? Something wonderful.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Woohoo! Or something.
How do you like them apps?
All right. Yes, gotta love it.
I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
Awesome. Well, the good news is I can now change trucks. Oh, that's weird. I wonder where my scouting truck is. Oh, of course, that's weird. Right up in the sky where it belongs. Well, obviously it would be irresponsible of me not to do this with more vehicles. So I had 9, and I bought another little Chevy truck for 11 and change. There it is. Beautiful, right? That's a total of 10.
These go to 11.
Say hello to my little friend.
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Welp, here we go. It's gonna be awesome.
Oh boy, is this great!
What the? Why is nothing happening?
Houston, we have a problem.
Okay. Okay. Disappointed! Son of a bitch!
All those moments will be lost in time. Like tears in rain.
But these last 2 weeks with me have been the most exciting 2 weeks of your life.
I'll be back.